Opposite arm, opposite leg. Good. Let's do 5 in a row. Let's go half that speed. Real slow.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Good, good. Keep fighting to balance that cup of water on your back. Nice. 2 more there, Drew. Let's see it. Good. I'm actually going to have you look down just a little bit more. Yeah, right about there is good. Very nice. Very nice. Good. We'll go right to that other side. How'd that feel?
It's surprisingly challenging.
Surprisingly challenging, right?
Yeah.
Good. Good, good. We'll get our 5 on this way. That's exactly what we want to do. That pace or even slower if possible.
Okay, fair enough.
Let's see it.
Wait, there we go.
Very nice. Leading with that heel on the back leg, exhaling as those arms and legs are fully extended out. Nice. There we go. 2 more. Ready to keep that thumb up. And last one, let's get that heel just a little bit higher up on that back leg when it's fully extended. Yes. Boom. Nice. Very nice. Come on there, nice and slow.